This is one of the dumbest furniture designs that I have seen in a long time. I found this in the alley about an hour ago. All the drawer fronts, these are made out of solid oak, 3/4 inch thick. The two sides, these are made out of 1 inch thick, solid oak through and through. These rails, 1 inch thick, solid oak. Now all this is great, but the dumb part, they made the top out of particle board veneer, which is why it ended up in the alley. Now that's incredibly dumb. Bad for the buyer, good for the picker. Now I've got all this spare oak that I can use for other projects, like a tabletop for my new Coca-Cola cooler. Isn't that cool? Okay, maybe it's not new, but when I finish with this project, it's gonna be an unbelievably cool upcycled table. Be sure to subscribe to Alley Picked if you want this video in your future.
If it's tossed, don't dismiss. I've got the magic. Here's the gist. Alley picked, watch me work my funky tricks. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum.